wipes we have in store at Ducati Glasgow. These are cleaning wipes for the bike. They are good for getting off tar, flies, general dirt. Mainly used for keeping on top of the cleaning of the bike, but can be used to give the bike a full clean. One wipe should do the full bike. You may need more depending on how dirty it is. You get 80 wipes in the biggest box that we do, which is $32.99. But considering you can clean your bike up to 30 times, it's really good value. I've given this bike a wee wipe down with the wipe. It also leaves a hydrophobic film once you have buffed it off. So really good value.